Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Messages because it gives live previews and immediate use. Tap an existing chat, then the Memoji/Animoji button and press plus to start. Choose a base skin tone and gender-neutral head. This gives a clear foundation. Make quick decisions on complexion and hair so you can refine details faster. Once done, you'll move to facial features. Make sure to keep the iPad steady for accurate tracking and to see expressions mirror yours in real. Now you focus on the complex, expressive choices, skin details, eye shape, and hair. Use color pickers and sliders to fine-tune hue and intensity. This creates natural variation. For eyes and brows, zoom with pinch gestures and test expressions to confirm animations look right. Once done with major features, add accessories, glasses, headwear, piercings, and tweak size or angle. Make sure to rotate the preview head with a finger to check the Memoji from different angles. Finish by tapping Done to save the Memoji to your collection. You can send it as a sticker, use it in FaceTime, or set it as your Apple ID image. If you want changes, open the Memoji, tap the three dots and choose Edit. Small tweaks are instant. If tracking or camera preview fails, restart the iPad, check Settings General Software Update, and confirm your model has true depth hardware. This resolves most recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.